Hi everyone! Today I'll share 5 funny English proverbs that will make you smile and help you learn at the same time. So let's get started with the first one. When pigs fly. Actually, pigs do not have wings. This means something is so unlikely that it will only happen when pigs start flying, which is never. For example, he says he will give me $5 million. When pigs fly. Here also they killed the cat. It warns us not to be too nosy, because being too curious can sometimes get you into trouble. She opened the secret box and the alarm went off. Curiosity killed the cat. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Don't make your plans based on something that hasn't happened yet. Your eggs might not become chickens. I planned to buy a car with the money I might win in the lottery, but I didn't win. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. It's raining cats and dogs. This describes their heavy rain. But do not worry, no pets are actually falling from the sky. We wanted to have a picnic, but it's raining cats and dogs outside. Too many cooks spoil the broth. It means if too many people are involved in managing or making a decision, the final result is often worse. Everyone tried to make the cake differently and it ended up looking terrible. Too many cooks spoiled the broth. And what about you? Do you often use proverbs in your daily life? And which of these proverbs did you like? Comment below and tell me your favorite. See you next Saturday!